Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Daily. My name is Jack, and today we are going to practice English shopping phrases. Shopping cart. Shopping is something we do almost every day, so it's a perfect way to practice English in real life. Before we start, if you like this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's have fun and practice together. Segment 1. Common shopping phrases. Let's start with some common shopping phrases. Repeat after me. How much is this? I would like to buy this. Can I pay by card? Do you have this in another color? Where is the fitting room? Great. Now let's make small sentences with them. How much is this shirt? I would like to buy these shoes. Can I pay by card or cash? Pause and repeat these sentences out loud. Good job. Segment 2. Asking for help. Next, let's learn how to ask for help in a shop. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for a jacket. Do you have this size? Where can I find the vegetables? Jack. Small dialogue. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes. What are you looking for? I am looking for a jacket in size medium. Here it is. Do you want to try it on? Pause and practice both parts of the dialogue. Excellent. Segment 3. Talking about prices and discounts. Now, let's talk about prices and discounts. Repeat after me. This is too expensive. Is there a discount? It costs $10. Can I get a cheaper one? Jack. Small conversation. How much is this bag? It costs $20. Is there a discount? Yes. Today it is $15. Pause and repeat both parts. You're improving already. Segment 4. Paying and saying thank you. Finally, let's learn how to pay and finish shopping. Repeat after me. I will pay in cash. Can I have a receipt, please? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Jack. Try a dialogue. I will pay in cash. Here is your receipt. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Pause and practice both parts. Fantastic. Wrap up. Let's recap the key shopping phrases we learned today. Common phrases. How much is this? I would like to buy this. Do you have this in another color? Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Where can I find? Prices and discounts. This is too expensive. Is there a discount? It costs $10. Paying and polite phrases. I will pay in cash. Can I have a receipt? Thank you very much. Now, here's a fun question for you. What do you usually buy when you go shopping? Write your answer in the comments. I would love to read them. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for practicing English with me today on English Flow Daily. You're improving already. See you next time.